Hello Andre, my name is Eduardo. Presented this video for you. This is 2013 Kawasaki Vaquero, 5,097 kilometers, and the price is 13,288 plus HST and licenses. This motorcycle comes with the extra accessories, which is the engine guards, and the customer, what they did is he wrapped it in the gray color. It's black, but they put a gray color wrapping. Motorcycle is available at this time. If you require more assistance, or if you want me to hold you this motorcycle, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. It has a stereo sound system internal and also has ABS. So if you please give me a call. Thank you.